Hi, I'm Kelly Marble, AI Design Specialist. Welcome to a quick tutorial on AI tools for designers. AI tools are revolutionizing the design industry. In this course, we will cover essential AI models, generative AI, and integrations. AI design tools fall into three categories. The first is text to image, which generates images using prompts. Prompts is texting using mass descriptions. Pro tip, the more descriptions, the better the image. Number two, text to text, which you can create and manipulate content. You want to think about three areas when you're creating your content. The first one is your audience. Who are you speaking to? Educators, policymakers, or subject matter experts. Second is your tone. Are you communicating in an executive presence to exert authority? Perhaps a persuasive tone because you're in sales. And lastly, you want to consider the industry-specific content. So if you're in marketing, legal, or business, you can create templates or documents, such as a marketing roadmap, a business plan, or even a legal template. Well, I think the third one is our 3D modeling, which sometimes I forget. But 3D modeling is so important. It really helps with 3D objects. So if you're in interior design or even creating environments, you're able to have those 3D models. Now, let's talk about and learn new tools. I will talk about 4 tools to help you get started. Tool number 1 is Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-image AI. It excels in creating artistic and conceptual images. I particularly love Midjourney when I create images, whether it's for a high-end fashion collection, interior design for museums. I'm able to stylize the imagery using Midjourney's features and functionality. I'm able to think about the aspect ratio, the quality of work that I want to produce, and have that creative control through the process. Next, we have Leonardo.Ai, which optimizes the text-to-image process by focusing on speed and quality. This is really great for quick turnarounds where it does not compromise the image detail. Some of the features are kind of like fine-tuning your style, and it also has a library of presets so that users can get started. One of the presets, let's say if you're an animator who likes anime, a preset could be used such as the anime lens. So now you can create characters in the environment for that setting. Next we have Claude 3. Claude 3 is an advanced language model. It's really great at assisting with writing. It's great at assisting with brainstorming and analyzing information in design. I particularly like Claude 3 because of its natural, sophisticated language. When we consider writing emails or even personal documents, Claude 3 really knows how to have a human touch. Finally, we have ChatGPT, a versatile text-based AI for content creation, ideation, and problem solving. I use ChatGPT to expand on my prompts, which is really great because it helps bring a more robust vocabulary. So it's able to translate my ideas to the images that I'm really wanting to articulate. So now that we learned our 4 new tools, let's go into integrations. AI integrations. AI is integrating in existing tools, such as Adobe Firefly for cloud creative apps, as well as Canva's Magic Studio for generative design. The integrations of AI into these existing platforms are here to stay. So it's really exciting to see how AI-powered platforms are really in the mix now, such as Google, like Gmail, for instance. Well, let me kind of pull it back in here. As AI continues to evolve, it will be an indispensable tool for designers. I hope this tutorial has equipped you with 4 tools that you can use to experiment with to enhance your creativity and streamline your workflow. Until next time, thanks for watching.